fireworks. Now, if you're thinking those are the fireworks, you're wrong. Just a piece of paper for the thumbnail. It better take that thumbnail. It's probably not. So, probably gonna take some other thumbnail like this. Okay, I would kill YouTube if they made that the thumbnail. Anyways, so I got fireworks today. We shot off a few, so you might not see all of them. So I'm just gonna show you the fireworks I got. I got a lot more than is being shown here, so let me get them. Alright.
Hey, you should really get steam.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the box they're in. I just choose my Xbox box.
Computer game store and it has a lot of good games on it.
So yeah. Because it's a pretty good, for all I got, it was filled up almost all the way. So let me open that up. Alright, so here it is. I guess I'll just pick stuff out.
Is there a question mark over their head?
These are jump shots. Basically, what they do is you light them and then run away. You obviously set them down. They got little stands. You can't see them in the box right now, but basically you light them and it shoots up in the air, and then I think it just pops. Basically. That, or it does whatever it's doing right there. But, yeah. There's that. Okay, let's see. Actually, if you guys want the no, you guys don't want the price. Wait, no, you don't want the price. Okay. The bad boys, 100 piece. Basically firecrackers. They're waterproof. Yeah, they're pretty great. By the way, the fireworks in here, I haven't shot any off. So that's pretty good, I guess. We shot off some, what? A couple this afternoon and a couple at last night? No, I got these today. Well, actually, if you're watching this video on another day, I did not get them today. The date exactly today is let me think. I think it's June something, 2014. It depends on when this uploads, or depends on when you're watching this. But yeah, it's June something, 2004. Okay, let's just say this. Tomorrow's the 1st of July, so basically that. Okay, so there's those, the bad boys. Haven't used any. Don't know how they're good, but they're made by Shogun. Shogun's pretty awesome. Alright, so there's those. Next is the tank. It has wheels, it can go. It has pretty nice wheelage. It, see those things right there? Those shoot out sparks, and I think it has reports. And it's just really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the price of this, because it was pretty awesomely cheap. There was a bunch in a barrels, and then I was looking at it, should I get one? And then I looked at the price, and then yeah, it was 50 cents. So that was pretty good. So there's that. Next, I got these regular firecrackers, blockbusters. They were 25 cents. You guys know what firecrackers is, right? Good. So there's those. Alright, so Then, I went to 2 different stores. I think the other one I went to is greater, because here's another pack of, like, the same amount of fireworks as the guns. Or not, what am I saying? Block ones. Those ones were only, oh, yeah. And those ones were like 25 cents. These ones are only 15 cents. So, yeah. Black Cat's always the best. There's those. Then I got, this came in the pack that I got. I got a big, it was called the Super Assortment Fighting Pack. And this came in it. It's like a bunch of sparklers. You know what sparklers is. So there's those. Okay, the zips. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So basically, in unpredictable directions, it spins up and goes flying off somewhere with showers of sparks and stuff. Actually, really dangerous. Like, really dangerous. But I still shoot them off. Yeah. So there's those. I got Friendship. It's basically a tiny little fountain. So got that. I got a pretty good rocket. You guys know what these kind of rockets do, I hope. At least I hope. There's that. It's pretty cool. I got Snapdragons. They're like, you know, the things you take and then throw them on the ground and it pops. They'll pop. They're like for little kids and stuff. Oh, even though I'm like 12, I still love them. Yep. Who doesn't like those, really? And then in the pack, I guess they gave another pack of sparklers, so that's pretty good. I guess. Okay, I guess I was lying about haven't shot anything off. I guess I did like one Roman candle. But you know what a Roman candle is. If you don't know what a Roman candle is, then I guess I'll tell you. Basically, you take it, the wick's up here. The thing says not to recommend and hold it, and I'm not going to tell you to hold it, but I hold it because all it does at this end that you light, it shoots like colorful, like, I don't want any making a that's what she said moment. Gosh, fine. They shoot flaming, colorful balls. Okay, there. I said it. Oh gosh. So there's those. Next. Well, actually, fine. It's like it is 110. Alright. Next. I have absolutely no idea what these are. All it says is careful, flammable, explosive. I guess it's like giant firecrackers. That's what I'm guessing. Now I got another fountain. It's called Cool. I've had this like every year almost now. It's pretty cool. It's really meant for like dark pitch black night. It's just so awesome. There's that. Your regular golden diamond fountain. Yeah. I don't even know why I bought that. But yeah. I have no idea what this is. I guess it's called Cuckoo, whatever. I'm guessing a fountain. Let me see. Yeah, fountain. There's that. I got ground bloom. It spins on ground, emits flame and sparks. That's pretty cool. Also, guys, remember to look for the firework video I'm definitely going to be putting up on the 4th of July. Yeah, definitely watch out for that. Obviously, it's coming on the what? The what, guys? The 4th of July! Gosh. So there's that. Then we got Sonic Jack.